I'd like to share with you, this is the underneath of the soffit, and we would call this an eyebrow that would go up against the wall. It'd be a dead end that would run up against the wall, and what we're doing is mounting the lights underneath the soffit. This channel's our MJ with the holes drilled on the outside, so you would put it underneath the channel like so. And what I'm going to show you is how to mount this there. So you can take that, put a mark on it, and what you're going to do is cut a 45. Come back over the other side, and then you're going to put your finger about where that 45 was in that cut. And you're going to cut out sections of this. Wiggle these out. And you're going to cut the 45 from here back to there. So now when you fold this over, you see that needs to have more taken away from there. And it just comes easier as you do it. So now when this folds underneath there like that, you got a true 45. Now you can trim this space from here to there. And now you have a 45. So this will slide right up underneath the soffit. Now you have your space for your light that's going to be centered in that eyebrow, and then your next light will start right there. So this is the MJ channel mounted underneath the soffit so the light can face out.